In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Google Chrome. This can be a useful trick if you're looking to personalize your browsing experience or if you're simply looking to make text more readable on your screen. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or something more traditional, adjusting the font can make a big difference. So, let's dive right into it. First, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once that's open, you'll see the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser window. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options you can choose from. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option within that menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page filled with various settings that you can adjust to suit your needs. This page might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only going to focus on a few key areas today. Now that you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. Under the Appearance section, you'll notice a label that says Font Size. Adjacent to this, there's a customizable option that lets you adjust the default font size used in your Chrome browser. You can select from options like small, medium, large, or even customize the font size by selecting the Custom option. Medium is the default setting if you're wondering what's considered standard. In addition to changing the font size, you can also adjust the font type. For this, look for an option that says Customize Fonts. Click on it, and you'll be shown a new page that displays a variety of font options. Here, you can change the standard font and the fixed width font that displays in Chrome. You have the flexibility to choose the exact font type and the size you prefer by sliding the scales provided. As you make these changes, keep in mind that they will only apply to web pages that support such modifications. Some sites have custom fonts that won't be overridden by your browser settings, so it's okay if you see some inconsistencies from time to time. Once you're satisfied with your selections, take a moment to check how these changes appear when you visit your favorite websites. The fonts should look different now, catering to your personal preference for better readability or aesthetic appeal. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the font settings in Google Chrome, making your browsing experience not only personal, but also more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to explore other settings in Chrome to continue personalizing your browser experience. Happy surfing!